We are 2 weeks away from the July 22nd field day. And we are out here in the field getting some of these machines prepped. Today we're setting up the Yetter Maverick Strip-Till Unit, and we're playing with the settings, the rolling basket down pressure, our depth, all of that to make sure that these strips are adequate with what we're doing. Now, we talk strip-till a lot, and based on some of the feedback we're getting from you guys, it's one of the hot topics for the field day. So we are fully prepped to show you guys a wide variety of strip-till stuff here in a couple weeks. But I just want to show you a little preface of what this Maverick unit's doing out here in this kind of harder wheat ground. Wheat ground tends to have some strength to it this time of year, but I'm digging down through here and I'm probably 7 or 8 inches deep there with the knife in the center. And then we've got those cut blades out on each side to make our ridge. We've got different pressures on that rolling basket to see our different finishes. But of course, this is mimicking a fall strip. So we are relying on Mother Nature to mellow down this strip for a spring planting pass. But overall, clod size is pretty minimal. When you're making a strip like this in October, November, December, that's very manageable as the rain and snow and weather is going to really mellow that strip out. So overall, I'm very happy with the strip we're seeing from the Maverick, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos, and of course be sure to visit with us at our July 22nd field day. We're gonna have a plethora of equipment, including our row crop cultivator. We're gonna have guys traveling from very, very far and wide to come see that row crop cultivator run. And I didn't wanna just show this row crop cultivator in a wheat field. I wanted to go ahead and have it showing where the camera is visually seeing the rows and actually steering. So we went ahead and planted corn in this field yesterday. We worked up this patch here. I think we've got 48 or 60 rows deep, and then we've got a cross row coming up through here to show as an angled headland, so that whenever they come up through here, you can see that section control pop up automatically. So you're gonna see the camera run. It will be seeing the rows. This corn's probably gonna be 4 to 6 inches tall come the field day, and that's tall enough for that camera to visually steer itself side to side. So you're gonna be able to see the camera in action, you'll see the steering in action, and you will see the auto section control in action. That's one of the big highlights of a field day like this, is we don't just show you equipment, we show it to you in real life. So we're gonna have a corn plot planted here, where we're gonna be zipping down through here with the row crop cultivator. I'm super excited to be doing that. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and we're gonna make it worth everyone's time who's coming to see that. We planted this stuff just yesterday, and it's trying to shoot out little shoots right down there at the tips of the kernels. So it won't be long with this heat. We had enough moisture, and won't be long, that stuff's gonna be shooting through and a couple inches tall, and that camera will be able to visualize those rows and keep us where we need to be. So again, a lot happening here in the background as we're preparing for the field day coming up in just 2 weeks. So we're excited to have you guys here. Be sure to come to the field day, and of course, we're gonna be feeding you back at the shop afterwards. Thanks for tuning in.